Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dipbrow back again with another video for you guys. So today's makeup look, we are playing with another W7 palette. This time around, this one is called Dusk Till Dawn palette. I'm really happy with the finished result of this palette right here, giving me a very nice holiday romantic look at the same time. I really love this color, and I just decided to match the palette packaging as well. That's how I ended up with this eye makeup. And what really drew me to this palette was the fact that inside of it has a whole roll of matte eyeshadow and a whole roll of a shimmer eyeshadow. So top here are all matte, and at the bottom they're all shimmer eyeshadow to also match the matte eyeshadow. This was what drew me to this palette, and this is what made me come up with this look we have going on today. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and as always, before we jump into this makeup look, guys, don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoy it, and don't forget to also subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to my channel. It's really easy to subscribe and it's free. And for those new subscribers, thank you so much for joining the family right here. And when you do subscribe, as always guys, don't forget to also turn on your bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload any new video on this channel. And without any further ado, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go, and we're gonna jump into this makeup look, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, so the first thing I'm gonna start by doing, as always, is priming my face. So to do that today, I'm gonna be using my W7 Presence Potion face primer. So guys, if you see me looking this side, is because, which is the side, is because I have my mirror right here, and if I'm looking that way, is because my laptop is down like the other side. So you guys will see me looking here and there a lot today, so that's that. And guys, as you can already see, I've done my eyebrows off camera. So if you guys want to see how I ended up with this eyebrow, as usual, make sure you check the description bar below. I'm going to be leaving the link to my eyebrow tutorial down there for you guys. So now we're going to move on to the face. As you guys know, my routine for my makeup has changed lately. I enjoy doing the face first before the eye. Before, I used to do the eyebrows and eye before the face, but today we're going to start with the face again. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using my Mascal Rich Liquid Foundation. I've done a video with each and every one of them, but today I want to mix these two together and see the finish I'm going to get. So I'm going to be mixing the shade RF240 and the shade RF243 together today. This is 243 and this is 240, so you can see the difference. This is more on the yellowy side and this is more on the neutral side. So I'm going to be mixing these two together today. I'm going to be putting this at the back of my arm so I can mix them properly before going in to applying it onto my face. Grabbing my kabuki brush to apply this on. Okay, that's not bad. I actually like them mixed together a lot more better than using them individually. That looks a lot nice, and the coverage is really nice as well. Like I already told you guys before, I really like the finish. Wow, that's amazing. This is a full coverage foundation right here. Proper full coverage foundation. You guys can see it already. That looks nice. Like guys, what do you think so far? I love this. I love the finish of this. Really nice. Okay, so now we are moving on to highlighting our under eyes. So today I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade Tan Sand. I'm not gonna be using a lot. I'm just gonna use a little bit today just to brighten up my under eyes, because this foundation has given us a whole lot of coverage already. So this is just basically to highlight our face, that's all. And to cream contour today, I'm going to be going into my Fenty Beauty Matchstick Trio, and I'm using the shade Truffle to cream contour today. So that's what we're doing. So I'm going to quickly set my under eye concealer, and today I'm going to be using my W7 Banana Dream Loose Powder. Now I'm going to be setting my cream contour with my Becca Perfect Skin Mineral Powder Foundation. Guys, I'm gonna go back to my W7 Banana Dream Loose Powder. I'm gonna put it a bit underneath my eyes so that now that we're gonna be doing our eye makeup, we can catch any fallout. So now for our eye makeup, I'm gonna start by priming my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer right here. I'm gonna be using this to prime my eyes real quick, just putting a generous amount on it. So I'm just gonna quickly blend this out. So guys, for my eye makeup today, I'm gonna be using my W7 Dusk Till Dawn palette. So guys, the first shade I'm gonna be picking up today is this orange shade right here. I'm gonna be using this as my transition color. I'm gonna be packing this just into my crease like so. We're not blending it out, we are basically just packing it on. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be going into a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to feather the edges out to blend it out to be smoky. Okay guys, now that that is done, I'm going to go back to my W7 palette. This time around I'm picking up this red right here, the matte red, and I'm going to be placing this in my crease line. Now that that is really intense to my satisfaction, I'm going to go back to that clean brush we used to blend that rusty orange color, and I'm going to blend this red into that my transition color together so there will be no ash line going on. Now that that is all done, I'm gonna go back to my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm gonna grab a flathead brush right here, and we're gonna start by cutting our crease. So today we are doing a full-blown cut crease, because yes, the last video I didn't have a crease, so today we are doing a full-blown cut crease. Okay guys, now that my crease is cut to the way I want it, I'm gonna go into my W7 palette again. This time around I'm picking this pinkish color, and I'm gonna be placing it all over my lid. Guys, now that that is all done, I'm gonna go into my W7 High Captain very dark liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna be using this to line my eyes, and we are going to be winging it out as well today. Okay guys, now that we are all done with our eye makeup, I'm gonna start by blending out this loose powder underneath our eyes, and then we can go in to set the whole of our face. Now to set the whole of my face, I'm going to be going into my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder, and I'm going to be using a powder puff today again to set the whole of my face. Okay girl, so now we're gonna quickly finish off my face with my NYX Dewy Finish Face Spray. Shake, lean back, lean back, lean back. I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. I basically drench it because I want to lose the powder that we have on our face, so everything settles in really nicely. So guys, while my face is getting dried, I'm gonna go in quickly to my Max Factor mascara. I'm gonna be applying this to my top lashes. Okay guys, for lashes today I'm gonna be going back to my 3D mink eyelashes from AliExpress. I'm gonna be using this today again. Okay guys, now that our lashes is glued on, we're gonna go into the Anastasia Glow Kit. This is their Sun Dripped palette. I am gonna be using the shade Bronzed and Tourmaline again today, which is this two right here. Now that we are done highlighting our face, we're going to move on to doing our under eyes. So to line my waterline today, I'm going to be using my Lancome eyeliner in black. Okay, going back to our W7 palette, I'm going to be picking up this red shade again. I'm going to be blending this into my under eyes to give us a nice smoky eye going on. I'm gonna go back to my W7 palette again, picking up the shade next to blend my under eyes more. Going back to the palette again, this time around I'm gonna be grabbing the shimmer color we placed all over our lid. I'm gonna basically place this in my lower lashes as well, like basically at the beginning, like so. Now that that is all done, I'm going to go back to my Max Factor mascara. I'm going to be applying this to my bottom lashes. Okay guys, now we are moving on to the final step, which is the lips. So I'm going to start by lining my lips with my LA Mascara eyeliner. I really don't care to say coloring pencil eye crayon, but I'm going to be using this as my lip liner today again. Guys already know I like to overdraw my lips. It gives a little bit of a room to the look, so that's what we're doing today again. Okay guys, now I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty Cream Contour Stick in Truffle. I'm going to use this to line my lip a little bit more. You guys will see what I mean by this. It's just basically to add a bit of brownness to it. You know, that looks so nice. Because I want this look to be, the lip to be neutral today. I don't want it to be like standing out, so that's that. Okay guys, and to give me a little bit of shimmer in my lip, I'm going to be going into my Professional lip gloss. This has a little bit of specks of diamond kind of shade going on, so I'm going to be putting this all over my lip.